So you know her as host, recording artist, and public figure, but now she masters the kitchen. Media personality Yanique Curvy Diva Barrett joins us now, and she's going to tell us how she's using her cooking skills to start a business. Hey, morning, Yanique. How are you doing?
Good morning.
And you cook this? This tastes good.
Believe you say I'm cooking.
Are you cook this, sir?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, man, the nigga put in the work, and when he did just start up, everybody I look down upon him like, say, him then I go make it. You see me? Real youth know what you want. Remember when he just start out, everybody a laugh of time, everybody in the kitchen a laugh of time.
What's good, Soulfly fam? You know it's your boy Henry back with another video. As would I say, another day, another dollar out here. Today I do it. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Remember, tell a friend. Out here, yeah, do it.
Make the world it better. Stop crime and violence and just love each other. Each and every day make we just pray to the Father.
What's good, Soulfly fam? You know it's your boy Henry. You know, so we're back with another video, as would I say, another day, another dollar out here. What they are doing like every day. I don't know if I want to say we yes, I don't know what time people reaction, kitchen reaction pass. Yeah, kitchen reaction pass people. We're there back on it with another video. Anything we do in the kitchen we have to know first and yeah. So we are here about Yanique the curvy diva starter of our business people. So when I go see it here so first, I wanna see it here before, I wanna see it here so first, I wanna see it here so first people. So here what she do.
So you know her as host, recording artist, and public figure, but now she masters the kitchen. Media personality Yanique Curvy Diva Barrett joins us now, and she's going to tell us how she's using her cooking skills to start a business. Hey, morning, Yanique. How are you doing?
Good morning. Hi. I like the intro.
Yes. You know, because a lot of people don't know that girl you can cook.
See, Tara, not here about my pretty looks alone, don't it?
Yes. So tell me first of all, where did this love for cooking come from? How comes you can cook?
From picnic, listen, my sister taught me to cook, and
I like both fear thing, you know, people. We check out some more thing already and the girl can cook. When I say the girl can cook, I mean say the girl can cook. Yeah. So for a person always I try something different. We have to give it to our people. We not go around the thing. When people are try. Even though you see me, artist slash this slash that. I know she gone in the kitchen people. You see me? But we see what she can do in the kitchen. That's why we're there here. You see what she can do in the kitchen first. See if she ready for the kitchen people. So we'll go back in the video. And just stay tuned. So
and yeah, that was it. I just always grew up love cooking. I tried first. I used to burn up things and then I did it right. And then I just love cooking. I did food and nutrition in school, so yeah, that helped too.
I mean, everybody's pivoting in this time. So tell me, how did it get to here? You've done a pop-up kitchen. It was successful. But when did it occur to you that, listen, this time, I'm going to use the thing I love best to start a business?
I think, listen, I normally cook online. So I normally, on IG cooking and all that. And persons will say to me, Yan, what you cooking? It look good. Want to try some? And I was like, oh, Jesus. And then I said to myself, after a couple of persons keep saying to me, yes, they want to taste my food and stuff, I said, you know what? No, it's the perfect time. Because I really wanted to open a restaurant from last year. And then I said, you know what? No, it's the perfect time to actually just do something.
she says she normally cook online. So dining with curvy diva. Boy, if that curvy chef then I make you go buy the food, brother. I don't know who I go make you go buy the food. Look on the logo the people. Look on that. The chef. Look on the curve on the chef people. Dining with the curvy diva. I think tough people, tough. I'll go back in night and see what I want.
Because we can't travel as artists, we can't perform right now. So I said, you know what, let me just do something different. Now it's the perfect time to just do a pop-up kitchen. Officially, I want to open a restaurant, but we follow the protocols of the government. That's only 15 persons. So right now, it's not the best time to open a restaurant, but best time to do pop-up kitchen, best time to have, persons pick up the food or deliver. So yeah, the person gets to taste the food finally.
Yeah. So how did the pop-up kitchen work? Because I know you've done it already. How did it work?
Oh, yes. Alright, so normally it's from my table to yours. I did it at home first. And then I bought like 100, lunches and stuff.
One thing I like, she enjoy the work. Once you enjoy the work, say this are the work, this you offer this you look upon the expression on her face. I don't know if it fake or what, but it look real to me, people.
Like, boy, that's a lot. And then I did it again. And it rushed 200. And I said, boy, if a person just come and deliver, I have a delivery group that's I work with. And then you have curbside pick up. I did that the last time. And the person's home and they get their food, they take a little picture with me. And, that fun vibe. And I said, no, I'm doing it for 2 days because the demand is so much. And as of today, because you can buy tickets online or you can buy food online, first in line GA, and trust me, we've gone over 150 loads. So I'm like, what's gonna happen? What's gonna happen by Friday? We have to cut off. But it's overwhelming and I'm just so happy. So you can come pick up or I can deliver.
No, that's awesome. All right, so on set, we've displayed a couple of dishes done by you. But lady, it's not just regular cooking. You do. It's some real gourmet chef.
No, listen. I have a chef. Not Kimani, sorry, that's something Kimani. But Kimani Morgan, one of the top chefs. Like, normally I've worked with a chef before, but I have to push and we all this don't taste right.
Hey, brother, this look like some 5-star thing, brother, right? So when you say the chef name, them do them thing. This look like some 5-star something, right? So this is not a normal thing. So some 5-star cooking, right? So me look fun.
Morgan, he's on par. He's the chef that works with me because I can't cook for everybody. So trust me, he did that right there. I said, no, man, you have to cook for them. You have to cook for someone. You have to cook for them. So I'm going to enjoy it.
No, yes, man. Trust me, I'm seeing lobster. I'm seeing it's this barbecue pig's tail. I see
barbecue. That's our best setup, barbecue pig's tail because it reasonably is only $800, but persons just love it. They just melt it in the pig's tail. And like, what is going on? Listen, the order for that is really, really good. Kimani does a good job as myself as well. So yeah.
Yeah, wonderful. I see you have some things on the counter. You're cooking this morning too?
I never plan to cook, but we just never want the counter, just empty. So I was thinking to put on apron, like a hat on my head, gloves, just in case I don't want to pick up pizzas and stuff. I'm glad. I want you to taste.
That's fine. That's fine. So you have another pop-up coming this weekend. So
we are see again. Big up to the curvy diva. You have your ape on your body, my friend. You have to say big up to her. Not most entertainer or whatever would have pre second way out. She have a passion for cooking and she decides say here what. I have a passion, me already have the buzz, so here what. Dining with the curvy diva people. I think tough. I say again, I think tough. Some fives can look on them and a good no man and see some 5-star plate in them. Them are not man.
We can check on your Insta. Where can they find like menus?
They can actually purchase the ticket online, first in line GA, or they can call 284-7411, or they can check out my Instagram, yanique curvy diva, or dining with curvy. So there is only an option found to find the food because we have to cut out. But the demand is so much that I actually have it for October 2nd and 3rd. And this is when I tell you, people from Port Antonio coming in. Said we're Montego Bay. And I'm like, you're coming in. She said, just deliver it to Knutsford. I'll get my food. I'll go back on the bus. I'll go back home. I said, just for the food. She's like, no, we have to taste your food. So I get your orders in early because I probably have to cut it off again. But 2 days this time. So hopefully everybody will be satisfied and get a taste of dining with curvy.
Absolutely, and there's a little bit for everyone on that menu. Tell me about the music. I know no touring right now, but recording music, working on an EP. Tell me what's happening with you.
Yes, I am working on my EP. November 25th is coming out. My mother passed last.
Yeah, so people, so that was Dining with the Curvy Diva. Remember to check out our thing them. You can order online and thing.
Last year, that's her first birthday. So, you know, I just feel like that's the right time to really come out. She's always a big supporter, huge supporter of my music, you know. So, yeah, working on my EP Underestimated. We have a couple songs, at least 6 or 7 songs on the EP, and I'm ready to shoot the video. And working on that stuff for that, but I'm ready. We have new songs, new everything.
Wonderful. All singles, or are you collaborating with anyone?
We have a few collabs. I have a few collabs. I'm leaving it for the surprise.
Yeah, before we're gonna further in our video, people, remember to like, share, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend, 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 tell a friend. Tell another friend. See your boy out here back with another video. Yanique, Curvy Diva. Dining with the Curvy Diva. People are head screw on our body. Not every entertainer try another way to do something and see our passion, so we have to help her out.
But you know, we have a few collabs. I'm trying to do more singles now because I've collabed with Himani Mali, Egyptian, Cranium, my acting, Gage, couple of artists as well. So, you know, I say to myself, I want to have this single Underestimated to just showcase my talent, my raw talent, and you know, some more singles than collabs, but we have some collabs.
All right, we have our Smile Jamaica taster, who is Clive. So come in, Clive. Yes.
Oh, it is.
We're gonna find out. So I'm gonna, cause he's masked because I'm not. So I'm gonna move away so he can taste. Anyone you want to taste first? You go with the pasta first.
All right.
This man, if he eat the food that this man put up here up in here, I say,
He
yeah.
says very good. You know, Mike, so you're gone, you know what?
Yes,
He tried this.
No, we just block.
So you know it tastes good when they can't talk, you know. When you see the food going on, them go so.
I'm used to that. I'm used to the moment. It's like, well, I don't know how the food.
Clives are just very good. More, you can't give me more than that. It's spicy, it's sweet, it's savory.
So this is a little spicy.
The pasta is a little spicy.
Very flavorful.
Very
because it's jerk pasta.
And you can. It's sweet, it's savory. The pasta is a little spicy.
Because it's jerk pasta.
And you can taste.
So you can have it mild or you can have it a little spicy.
Oh, it's jerk. All right.
Yes, it's jerk.
I like the idea about the jerk pasta. And you know what she said, people? You can have it spicy or you can have it mild. So they say it cater for everybody. You know, just cater for all people with dietary needs. So right there, she say, oh, she think before she do that shit. You see me?
And well done. Yannick, I'm going to tell you what I like about the lobster. I can actually see it.
Yes.
Sometimes
Kimani Morgan,
Carol, where you there? Look here. Sometimes you order lobster, you know, and when it come and you and the shell are fighting, you know, because you can't find the lobster in it.
Make it easy for you. We'll take it out, have it cook it up and cook it down.
Yeah.
And we do catering as well, you know, it's like that. So for weddings, birthdays, all of these anniversaries, all of that. I have my top chef, I have my servers. We're ready to cater to you and, you know, new levels of decor as well. So it's going to be an experience dining with Curvy.
Wonderful, my darling. Congrats to you. I mean, big up everyone who's found their purpose in this COVID time. I mean, enough respect and nothing but success to you. So I'm looking forward to more dining with Curvy Diva.
Yes. And we're opening my restaurant. You know, you're excited.
It's gonna happen, absolutely. Yanique, Curvy Diva, Barrett, ladies and gentlemen, media personality, recording artist, and now chef, soon to be restaurateur. We sizzle a bit after this quick break. Soon come.
So people, that was it with Yanique, Curvy Diva, dining with the Curvy Diva. People, until another video, we're out here, we they do it like every day.